Alright guys, what we have here is a team of the season pack opening video, and we're going to start with a 7.5k pack just to warm us up. Just get a good player on the front. Nah. Well, we're looking for Joe Hart, that's who we're looking for. For fuck's sake!
Just do another one. Just do him, yeah. Yep, Joe Hart was on there, you faggot.
Yeah, we need to get him on the feet from that.
I know it's a waste of time, eh? Got him here.
See who he can give us. Better not give me shit, mate, otherwise I will kill you. Oh my days!
Got an info.
Oh, it could be worse. We do have 2 good squad fitness cards, which is gonna go.
And an inform.
We won't have a fucking inform.
You do. Don't we?
66 rated silver shit cunt. That's how you mean?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Okay. Yes, so pretty much all the rest of this is pretty useless, so let's just come out of this and go on to the big pack. Let's try and get Joe Hart. He'll give us someone good. I trust this guy. Plays for Manchester City, the best team.
Just do him. Yep, Joe Hart was on.
We don't want Messi, he's really bad. He gives you the worst luck. Everyone thinks he's good, but if you touch him, you're probably going to end up with a whole team of shit. On this back.
Yep, let's just do it.
He's not Messi. Alright. Yes! Okay, here we go! 2,000 FIFA points on the line. Or 100k, however you want us to look at this. Come on, Joe Hartman, show me something good. At least just one team of the season player. Suarez, you fucking kidding me? Oh my days! Oh yes, we got Danny Alves. Oh, he's worth at least what, like 120k. We have Kaká, I think I could use him. Yeah, okay guys, so this is pretty much it. This guy, my best player in a 100k pack. That is absolute shit. Okay guys, so what have you learnt from this video? You've learnt that opening a 100k pack is fucking stupid and don't try it.